What's up guys? So we are here at Arcape EDSA Extension branch. Yan. So may mga arcade and then may mga lugaw. So mga food stalls to na tabi-tabi. So this is Park Food Hall along EDSA Extension, Pasay. Tapos yun, tignan natin kasi may mga kailangan natin mag-branch weekly visit. So unahin muna natin to. So we're done with Arcape EDSA Extension branch and we are with Charlie. Yan. So papunta tayo sa, actually we are eyeing for a new branch. So pupunta tayo dun ngayon. It's a school, so hindi ko muna i-announce kasi we are still in talks with them. And until today yung submission ng proposal sa kanila. So sasadyain na natin, though gusto nila through email, pero for me no, mas maganda yung para may intention ka to go with them physically or personally. So yun ang gagawin natin. Okay, so magkakalapit lang naman to sa Pasay. And ito si Charlie nagagawa ng report with Arcape. Every branch may visitation form kami para ensure na quality and walang may makalimutan kapag walang stocks or may report sila or concerns. So yan. So nandito na kami sa parking. Again, di ko muna i-announce kung saan to. So we are here at the school sa parking lot. Pasok muna kami sa loob tapos balik kami after. So hindi ko muna kayo matutour sa loob since ayoko ma-jinx. And yon, lakad muna kami. Peace. So we're done with that school. So yung application natin is napasa na through email. Unfortunately, wala yung mismong head ng admin teams. So nagpadala na lang ng iba yung under niya. And nakausap naman namin. So na-ocular na din namin yung place. The place is still the same. Pero yung other side na nakita namin before is na bago na. So may competitor na rin. With coffee and yung food, syempre. Yung kabila kasi snacks. Yung isa ngayon is yung mga main course or yung mga rice meal. So papasukan din natin ng ganun. So punta tayo sa SMPHQ branch natin ulit for the visitation ng team nila. So check natin doon. Going to PHQ. So kakababa lang, medyo hinihingal pa. What's up? Yun oh. Wait lang. Dito na tayo sa NU branch, Arcape NU branch. So pasara na din kasi dahil hapon na. So yan, medyo onti na lang yung tao. So this is a food hall din or cafeteria nila. So we're here at PHQ branch. Yan, so punta naman kami dito. Visit kami. So kaka-deliver lang kahapon. Yan, tignan naman natin how they're doing. So ito yung kalaban natin here. Yan, yung competitor natin. Bigat, diba? So yan. So we are here at the work cafeteria. Work cafe. Yan. Kitang-kita. Hello. So order tayo ng matcha latte. So this is one of the best-selling drink kasi dito sa Arcape. So we have this ceremonial matcha latte. Ayan, si Barista Dari preparing the matcha latte. So this is ceremonial. Ayan. Kaya medyo ngalay kapag madami. And nagbukas na yung lights. So it's 4:30 PM. And good thing is ubos na yung pastries natin. So these are our drinks. Available lahat yan. And matcha latte, number 1. So ito, kapag gusto mo mag-chill, strawberry bliss is for you. Miss JD. This is our matcha. So hi muna kayo. Nasa vlog yan ha. So tignan natin. This is the matcha latte. So normally, kita nyo naman yung mga POV natin. Siguro nakaka 1,000 matcha na ako kapag gawa. So pauwi na tayo, tapos na tayo sa SMPHQ yan. Sabay natin sila, dalawang angel to eh. So punta na kami sa parking and that's a wrap.